Hope you are doing very well today, having an amazing Sunday, and just you are going out and enjoying the sun and the nice weather, the summer, end of the summer. Okay, yeah, sounds working well. So, thank you for jumping in. I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news every day with some technical analysis, altcoin gems, DeFi, and NFT things. So let's share my screen and let's jump in our favorite bubble chat to see what the market is doing. As you remember, on Tuesday, Bitcoin dipped more than 15% and not recovered yet. But altcoins are doing well, just loading in. Maybe there is too much going on. Yes, Avalanche up 23%. And also, I gave a signal for Avalanche on Friday. Ingold 18%, Tron 18%, Rev 10%. So you see also DOT, Atom, also Helium up, Aave, Sushi. So nice to see. Just few are correcting, like Cardano ADA is waiting for the mainnet launch, and One Harmony, Solana, Phantom rallied last week, and also Hex, and that is why they are correcting now. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And as we are humans, and the two most important and main emotions are fear and greed. And as you see, the index is at 32, so it's really low in the fear zone. And if you remember that the index was in the extreme fear for more than 3 months, just came back to the fear zone for 2 weeks, and also it was on Monday at 79. So you see, on Monday the index was at 79 and dropped, and now we are at 32, back in the fear zone. So this is how human emotions works, and also crypto is really with upside, downside, volatility, and this is just getting crazy with this. But I think that somehow the positivity will come back on the market. Our first news is, here are the BTC price levels to watch as 38,000 US dollar emerges as both line in the sand. Okay, a golden cross likely. Any other? So we are really close to the golden cross. We will check it later on the trading view chart. This is the 200-day moving average and crossing the 50-day moving average. So this is what the golden cross is, and we are really close, just few days. So the sell-off came amidst a pending golden cross where the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. And this is often seen being a very bullish sign for the market, and typically for Bitcoin. We see dumps into golden crosses and pumps into dead crosses. So on this basis alone, the pullback wasn't too much of a surprise. So this is the 200-day moving average, and this is the 50-day moving average, and now they will cross each other. Should bulls need more inputs to enter 38,000 US dollar to site of the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level from 64,500 US dollar all-time high? So this is the question. 60,000 coming early in Q4. Yes, and also at the end of the year prediction is 100,000 US dollar Bitcoin price. So as we are here, let's go and check the Bitcoin. Let's check the Bitcoin price. Okay, so sorry for that. Yes. I'm just opening the trading view chart now. Okay, coming back. So let's do this. Okay, so now back, let's go to the trading view chart. So as Avalanche is opened, So this is how Avalanche broke up, and we gave a signal when Avalanche broke up from this bull flag on Friday, and nice upside, more than almost 40%. Yes, 40, almost 40% up. So definitely it's a good trade, and also waiting to reach our target zone. But let's go and check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 46,000 US dollar, and now forming this descending triangle. Seems to be that broke up from this descending triangle, so that's a good sign, at least for now. And then it can give a price target. Let's see this, if I'm doing so, and then it would bring us to 49,000 US dollar. Let's go to the daily chart, and let's see this golden cross. Yeah, moving averages. So as you see, we are here, and the red is the 50-day moving average, and the yellow is the 200-day, sorry, the green is the 50-day moving average, the yellow is the 200-day moving average, the red is the 100-day moving average, and the 50 and the 200 will cross very, very soon. Let's find out. So maybe tomorrow or even today. So it seems really, really serious. Okay, so that's it, and we expect then having a rally towards 60,000, and we'll see. Let's go back to the news. Our next piece of news is YouGov poll finds 27% support for making Bitcoin legal tender in US. So the new poll has found that 27% of United States residents support the government recognizing Bitcoin as legal tender. So guys, even if lots of people don't know anything about Bitcoin, I think this is a quite big number. So 27% supporting Bitcoin as a legal tender. We would use support to oppose the US making Bitcoin a legal form of currency. This would mean that businesses would accept Bitcoin in exchange for goods and services, in addition to continuing to accept the US dollar. So I think that could happen if US will use Bitcoin not just before making it legal tender, but using as a reserve currency behind the US dollar. And also we know that Cynthia Lummis, the senator of Wyoming, recommended this many times. So we'll see. And yeah, so definitely I think it's something that can happen in the next few years. Not dead yet. Bitcoin network logs 700,000 block as adoption grows. So this is, guys, huge. 700,000 block already done, and it was on September 11th. So huge milestone, huge milestone. Also, here's the document in Bitcoin: 700,000 money supply, 18 million, 80.8 million BTC, almost 90% issued. UTX set size, yes, and chain size 413 gigabyte. So that's huge. Let's celebrate this. Our next piece of news is from Blackrock, and it's really funny because Blackrock came out with price prediction in the past few months that Bitcoin will go to 15,000 to 20,000, and now they are saying that Bitcoin could go up significantly, says the CIO of world's largest asset manager, BlackRock. The chief investment officer of the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, says he could see Bitcoin going up significantly. I like assets that are volatile, that have upside convexity, he said. Okay, so Bitcoin upside. Part of why I own a small piece of Bitcoin is I do think there are more people who are going to enter that fray over time. I like assets that are volatile, that have upside convexity. I could see Bitcoin go up significantly. So that's huge. And this is maybe something with manipulation. Then maybe BlackRock bought the dip and also with the price prediction that Bitcoin will go these low levels, they caused a fear and they bought the dip. It can happen, and now they are pumping their backs and also clients' backs. So that's huge. Our next piece of news is Bill Miller's hedge fund sees Bitcoin having significant upside potential as digital gold. Cool. Okay. Fund manager, the Miller Opportunity Trust, Bill Miller's hedge fund, stated that Bitcoin has significant upside potential. Yes, the report details that despite its volatility, Bitcoin's risk-reward is attractive. Cool. We believe Bitcoin has significant upside potential as far as form of digital gold. So they are calling Bitcoin digital gold. We are early in a continuing adoption curve, and Bitcoin will be volatile, but we think the risk reward is attractive. So they are managing 2.7 billion US dollars. So yeah, quite big. And then they are investing in Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening with Cardano. The Cardano Alonso upgrade will bring programmability to the blockchain. According to founder Chance Hoskinson, he's going to wear a Ghostbuster costume to mark the occasion. So I haven't found when will be the maybe a watch party or kind of launch watch party, but I couldn't find it. So definitely maybe later we will get some news. The Alonso upgrade will mean the Cardano network will be able to support applications like smart contracts, will gain a bigger foothold in the world of decentralized finance, competing with Ethereum and others. And he will wear a Ghostbuster costume to mark the launch. Cool. So we are waiting to see the launch happening, and everything's working well on the smart contracts. OpenSea's NFT volume down 50% after monumental surge in August. Okay, so we know that in August there was almost 4 billion US dollar sales throughout the month of August, and now the volume is dropping. OpenSea has fallen sharply by almost 50% to almost 800 million from a pool of 150,000 traders. So then volume is falling. Also, NFT prices is just going down. But I think end of September or maybe in few weeks, we will see a nice surge in NFTs and also OpenSea volume. Okay, so this is closed. Yeah, no, not closed. Okay. Terra Luna, also Terra Luna is running well. Terra's first NFT project is a space-themed loot. So this will be the first NFT on Terra Luna, and I definitely think that also it will boost Terra Luna price. And as you see, what's happened with Solana, and Solana price surge was driven also by NFTs, so almost went up 5 times or even higher within just few weeks or a few days. And Luna is where is Luna? Terra Luna is also doing almost the same, but not rallied so high yet. But it's a nice upside. That was a kind of head and shoulder, cap and holder, but without any cap. So just broke up here, and now doing this nice bull flags. So these are bull flags. These are bull flags, and bull flags breaking up. Okay, and you see the next bull flag here, and the next bull flag is forming now. So I would buy all these down here. Okay, so Terra Luna, I think when NFTs will be live on Terra Luna, then we can see maybe just double in price and also reach 100 US dollar. But you know, guys, nothing on this channel can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for entertainment purposes. So Terra Luna, definitely cool. So that's it for today. I think other coins are doing well. Also, Avalanche, that I gave the prediction, and Aave is doing well. Atom, I talked a lot about Atom. Atom also see it's just breaking up and waiting just for the retest, and we'll see. So also just broke up. So now broke up. Let's follow the retest. Binance coin also started to move now. Ethereum not doing too much, but came back. Oh, nice, 5%. Okay, cool. And few others are pumping well. Yeah, so definitely it's a good time to be on the market. WeChain also started to pump. So guys, play safe, trade safe, follow CorionX. There will be some updates coming, and also let's go to our farm, and you can farm, and also we will have some new announcement very soon. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for smashing the like, subscribing, and pushing the bell notification all. So thank you supporting the channel. So please smash the like, and see you tomorrow. Bye. I cannot stop here.